This is CompTIA Security Pro 10.1.6, and we are going to create virtual machines. So you're experimenting with creating virtual machine. In this lab, your task is to create two virtual machines named VM1 and VM2. Use the following settings as specified for each machine. VM1 is going to be virtual machine name VM1. Virtual machine location is going to be D drive /Hyper-V. Generation is going to be generation 1. Startup memory is going to be 1024 MB. And we're not going to use a dynamic memory. Networking connection is going to be external virtual card. Disk name is going to be VM1.vhdx. Virtual hard disk location is going to be D drive Hyper-V and disk, and operating system will be installed later. Okay, so let's start up. We'll go to start menu and we want to search for Hyper-V. Okay, so we'll go ahead and open. Go to IT admin. Right click, go to new, and we want to locate virtual machines. Go ahead and go ahead and specify name and location. So the name we have to use is going to be VM1. Go ahead and specify generation 1. Memory is going to be 1024. We'll go to configure networking. Make this external. Connect virtual hard disks. This is going to be 50 gigabytes. Let's go see installation options. Okay, so we'll go back to virtual hard disks and we'll make this 50 gigabytes according to our tags on the left pane. Go ahead and click finish. And we create VM2. Right click on IT admin and we go to new. We select virtual machines, and we specify name and location is going to be VM2. Specify generation is going to be generation 1. Assign memory. The memory to be assigned is 2048. And networking connection is going to be internal. And virtual disk name is going to be VM2. Virtual hard disk is going to be Hyper-V. Okay, so let's go ahead and this is going to be internal virtual disks. Go ahead and finish and see how we do. Create virtual machine 2. What are we missing here? Let's see. Scroll down and see. Okay, the RAM, minimum and maximum RAM. Okay, so keep working. Let's go back to VM2. We right click on it and we go to settings and we go to RAM, the memory. So the minimum and maximum RAM here. This is going to be from our tags. Minimum RAM is supposed to be 512, and for the maximum RAM it is going to be 4096. We apply and we click OK. Let's go back to our answers and everything is correct. We'll go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe. Join my professional membership to have access to more of my videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.